Sooner or later, if you own company stock long enough, it will happen. You take a look at your monthly brokerage account and you see a company name that you're not familiar with. Busy with the routines of life, there's little time to keep up with the usual financial readings. After looking at the unfamiliar name and reaching back into the recesses of memory, you have no leads to the puzzle. You eventually sit back in thought and wonder, BONAV-A, what is that? Begin to fill the blanks by answering the who, the what, the where, the when of the puzzle. A quick check of Wikipedia, Bloomberg, BONAV-A's website, the NASDAQ Nordic website, and the downloaded BONAV-A annual report provides some of the answers. Now that a rudimentary understanding of BONAV-A exists, the next move is to see just what it is you have acquired. Is it some leftover that the parent company wanted to get rid of, i.e., the sacrificial lamb sent off from the herd to draw the attention of the carnivores, be they wolves, lions, or hyenas? Or have you been gifted with something substantial, something that might do more than just survive, but actually take off and thrive as time moves on? Bonava is a residential developer in Northern Europe. It offers single and multi-housing units encased within their respective neighborhood. It, as of time of writing, markets its products in Germany, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Norway, St. Petersburg, Estonia, and Latvia. It is the offspring of the parent company NCC and was born in the year 2016 as a distribution to the shareholders of NCC. BONAV-A's shares are listed on the NASDAQ Stockholm. A quick look at the NASDAQ Nordic Markets website provides a neat and very informational fact sheet on the company as provided by Morningstar. To see just what we have, take a quick look at the sales, cost of sales, net profit, debt, goodwill and/or intangibles, share structure, and the company philosophy. In essence, BONAV-A is the newborn company that is involved in the challenge of selling a highly desirable and increasingly rare commodity. That commodity is the safe shelter people call home. The company has two share classes, share class A and share class B. Class A shares have a 10-to-1 voting power, whereas Class B shares have a 1-to-1 voting right. Looking to a candlestick chart for BONAV-B shares, two areas of focus are dividends and capital conservation. First, dividends. If you notice, there's a fairly regular row of evenly spaced Ds on the chart. That translates to a constant and regular stream of dividends. Of course, all other factors being equal. You see dividends were paid in 2017, 2018, 2019. However, in 2020, due to the unusual circumstances, no dividends were declared. And therefore, as with any company, dividends per share will always have a limiting factor of earnings per share. Next, capital appreciation or depreciation. As of time of writing, there is a capital depreciation of 20% and a capital retention value of 80%. This does not take into effect inflation, currency exchange ratios, or the actual opportunity cost of holding this investment. For me, Bonava was a gift from NCC. As an investor, Bonava is a valuable addition to my portfolio. Does Bonava guarantee future dividends or appreciation of assets? No. However, the company is run, as of time of writing, by fairly competent people who have a vision to the future and the twists and turns that it entails. The question to answer is, what will happen in the near future and or distant future with this stock, with this company? If, after analysis, you deem the stock will be profitable, the company will remain or increase profits, then the stock is a keeper. If you deem after analysis the opposite, it will continue to capital deflate, the company will not remain profitable, then it's a seller. It's all dependent on individual investor circumstance and risk tolerance. Well, there you have it. Brief analysis to quickly see what you have acquired. You can always delve deeper and look from in to out, out to in. You can compare company financials, markets, production, business, populace, governmental demographics. You can look at situational costs, benefits. The analytical factors are endless. The key is to find the perfect mix of analysis to decision point. And when all is said and done, after all the reading, the number crunching, looking at the who's running the company, their backgrounds, after all the analysis, the final decision to keep, buy, sell, this addition comes down to one thing. The informed decision depends on just one thing,